Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today's flow is a busy day quickie. So this is a great flow to do if you have a busy day ahead of you, but you want to get some stretching in, some yoga in, or this is a flow that you can repeat as many times as you'd like for a little bit of an extra length. So grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. Let's begin at the top of the mat, coming into your mountain pose, pressing into all four corners of the feet, palms of the hands shine forward. So this is a swift flow. We'll move through this quickly. You've got a busy day ahead of you, and I want you to make the most of the time on your mat. Let's just take a few deep cleansing breaths here to signal to the body of the practice we're going to do. Let's flow. Inhale, reach the arms up. Interlace the fingertips together. Exhale, side body stretch to the right. Inhale through to center. Exhale, side body stretch to the left. Inhale through to center. Exhale, slight back bend. Come into your cactus arms. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, your version. Exhale, release the crown of the head down. Inhale, roll up. Come into your mountain pose. Exhale here. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale to the right. Inhale through to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, reach. Exhale, slight back bend, cactus arms. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Tuck the shoulders from the ears. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, roll up to your mountain pose. Exhale here. Inhale, reach. Exhale to the right. Inhale. Exhale to the left. Inhale through to center. Exhale, slight back bend. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, hands come to the shins or thighs, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, come up to your mountain pose. Exhale here. Again, inhale, reach up, really reach. Exhale to the right. Feel this in the lateral side body. Inhale, straight. Exhale to the left. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, slight back bend. Inhale, straight. Exhale, release. Inhale, your version, halfway lift. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, roll on up. Come to your mountain pose. Exhale here. Once more. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, you know what to do. Inhale, reach. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step the right toes back. Step the left toes back. Come into your plank pose. We'll hold here, building a little bit of strength. Really activate Gently pull those heels towards the back of the mat. Press into your fingertips here. Fingertips spread nice and wide. Push down towards the mat. Lift up through the back body. And we're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift the hips up. Come into your downward facing dog. In down dog, you can find some movement here or find stillness. Yogi's choice. But the upper arm bones rotate out. Elbow creases shine forward. Big toes in slightly. Upper thigh bones rotated. Hips lift up. Arches of the feet pull down towards the mat. A few more breaths here. Take one more inhale here. And as you exhale, your knees will touch the mat. Swing them to one side. And come, have a seat. Here, knees up towards the sky. Spine nice and long. And you can stay here. Or we'll lift the toes up, coming into a boat pose. So again, we want to make sure that we're not collapsing into the sacrum or arching too much, but we're nice and straight and strong in our spine. You can clasp the hands underneath the knees for a little more stability, or you can release them, reaching forward. Working on a little bit of core, the whole trunk of the body. And for extra bonus points, you can straighten those legs. Hold for just a few more breaths. We're almost done. And then point the toes, point the fingers, and roll on down to your back. So on your back here, make sure you're nice and comfy. And bring your knees in towards your chest for a hug. And then we'll send the left leg out long and release it to the mat. Inhale, drawing the right knee in towards your body. And as you exhale, let it fall to the left side of your mat. You can take your arms out to cactus arms, or you can use your left hand to gently guide the right knee down, but make sure that both shoulder blades are rooted to the mat. Inhale, come through to center. Exhale, draw left knee into chest. Give yourself a hug. And then we'll send the right leg out long, release it to the mat. Inhale, draw the left knee in towards your chest, and exhale, let it fall to the right side of the mat. Find your cactus arms, or we use our right hand and gently guide the left knee down. You might even close down the eyes here for a few more breaths. Inhale, exhale. On your next inhale, come back through to center. Exhale, draw your knee in towards your chest. Give yourself a final hug. And from here, we'll cross one ankle over the other, rolling on to an easy pose, a seated position. And just taking a hot second here to ourselves before we start our day or a busy schedule ahead of us. And always honoring or recognizing that we need to take time for ourselves No matter how busy we think we are, you have to fill up your cup before you can fill up others. So if you need to find a quiet space wherever you are, go to the bathroom and take 5 deep cleansing breaths to settle the body and the mind back down. Bring the palms together, hands in prayer position, and finding gratitude for taking time for yourself, your well-being, even for just a few moments each and every single day. Longer if you can manage it. Bring the thumbs right up to the third eye, and we bow to that inner divine spark that resides within all of us. Namaste.